This is the first video of 1938B Red Rider shot tube that I am going to make a muzzle loader and seal it up, hopefully. The idea is to use this brass tubing. It's going to hold 60 BBs or so. Fill through here, come out there, and that's the abutment. What my plan is here is I'm going to epoxy this in here using JB weld, and I'm just going to put a big blob there, and I've cut a slot using that like so. Just spin it and it'll cut a little bitty groove for this tube to rest in right there at the very edge. So I'm going to smear it up with epoxy, slide it together, and we'll probably let that set overnight. Then I'll come back with a small burr and clean that piece of brass up right there. I don't know if you can see that or not. Piece of brass up, get rid of that. Then I'll throw some BBs down it, check it, make sure it's going to load. Then the next step will be gluing this stuff together, which I also plan to do with JB weld. See how well that fits together. There. Oh well, you get the idea. Then we're going to drill this just like I did on the Model 25 muzzle, and that's going to go on like so. That's it. I'm going to go ahead and glue these together, and then we'll see about another video. Thanks for watching.